$100 in one day. I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can do that without your own website actually. $100 in one day. So you want to pay attention to this message and this video because I'm going to go ahead and give you the goods. If this is your first time hit this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this. My name is Shelton and thank you for joining me. Welcome today. Today's video, we're going to talk about $100 in one day without a website. So let's dive into the content here. Now, it's different ways of how you can go ahead and make $100 in one day online. And today I'm going to go ahead and give you some information how to do that. Now, right below this video right here, I do have an opportunity for you to go ahead and learn how to do that with training available right now. The training will start when you go ahead and sign up. You will go ahead and sign up and you can go ahead and start getting that education in terms of how you can make $100 in one day. Results are not typical. I do have disclaimer links right below the video, but results not typical, but you're investing into the education of learning how to make $100 in one day. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what I did today. So I'm going to go right into my stats here. This is an opportunity, affiliate opportunity, one of my opportunities that I'm going to show you how I make $100 in one day. I want to show you the proof, basically. Right here, $109.20 I made in my business today. And it's based off the education that I learned through this system of taught me how I'm able to make $100 in just one day. Now, results are not typical, so I'm not guaranteeing you'll make $100 in one day just by joining, but I want to tell you what's possible. It is possible to make $100 in one day just by following the simple steps in this opportunity. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you the leaderboard of exactly what I've been doing as well, because I want to show you proof that this actually does work. As you see right now, I am #1 in the daily sales, and I'm also #1 in the monthly sales in terms of generating sales in each and every single day. So I want to show you that because I just want to go ahead and show you that it's possible that you can go ahead and do that. And right below this link, right below this video right now, it's going to give you the opportunity. The opportunity. Yes, I know you've been waiting for something of learning how you can generate money online. I know you've been waiting for something that basically teaches you exactly how to build your online business before you can fire that boss. Because I know you want to fire the boss. Most people do. They say 85% of people want to fire their boss or don't like the job. So why not learn how to make money? I know you've been flicking around, looking at video after the video. I got your opportunity for you. It's right below this video because I know you've been searching around for a while. Right below this video, I do have a link. Click on that link below. It's my #1 recommendation to make money online and go ahead and start your online business. I'll see you on the inside. Click on there, sign up, get started right away. And I can't wait to see you on the inside. And I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video. Have a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.